Good morning. This morning we're gonna study a little bit more about how it works in Hiragana and Katakana charts as this. Okay. I said to you in a class earlier that each hiraganas and katakanas, why do we have two different types of letters? Pronunciation of both forms are exactly the same, identical pronunciations. Take for instance, this line is a line of first vowels or 5 vowels. Okay, a, I, U, E, O. That's how it sounds. However, each lines or each one's just up above here, beneath it, there's a different type of formatted letter, which is a in katakana. Katakana is used for something that was invented outside Japan. When we imported, or ancient Japanese people imported some items, the items that they never had before. So they didn't have a name to it in Japanese languages. So in that case, they started putting katakana's letter to name that item. So to differentiate the things we had before and been using for a long time, and the things we knew we imported from overseas. Just an example, when 100 years ago in Japan, when they imported a television set, they didn't have a name to it. So that they named it by hearing the sound of an English speaker saying that item's name. They heard television set or television. Then, oh yeah, it's telebi, by using these katakanas. Telebi, by selecting the katakanas from this chart, that starts with te, which is here. This is te. The next letter, let, M, be here. Yeah, of course, this time, ha, hi, hu, he, wo. Ha, hi, be, cannot be. I'm going to show you later on that these are the katakanas and hiraganas will change the sound by adding 2 very short bars around here, which I will show later how it works. Anyway, this is a chart. Again, how it's made of? It's made of these hiraganas and katakanas. And how we read Japanese languages, written languages, is from top to down, not from here to there and from there to here. No. Traditionally, we write from up to down. However, in modern days in Japan, textbook and literature, any books written, that's from up to down. Sorry, I was wrong. I was mistaken. The literatures and normal books we read in the newspaper is written from up to down. But the things that's taught at the school textbook are written from left side to right side. So we use the writing format 2 different ways in Japan. Okay, I spoke too long now. Okay, let's practice. A, I, U, E, O. A, I, U, E, O. These 5 vowels are the only vowels we have in Japanese languages. A, I, U, E, O. And this katakana, exactly the same pronunciation. So it's only the writing format is different. That's all. Yeah. The second line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vowels, and the second line down, all the consonant. Okay? But the biggest difference between English language consonant and Japanese consonant is that Japanese consonant is always combined with the vowels. That's why this chart is written this way. I will show you. The second line, kakiku geko, start with the, in English, if we use English letter, that start with the K consonant. So, like I said, it should be combined with this vowels. It sounds like this. Start with the K, this line, and K, in English, combined with the vowels are all together. Combined sound of this consonant with the vowel is ka, ka. And next one is K sound combined with I. So that's ki, ku, ke, ko. Okay? Third line is the same, how it works. This line is start with the consonant S, 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 S. S combined with the first vowels, which is A. S, A, S, A, Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So. Okay, I go on to the next one. This start with English T, T, A, ta, chi, su, te, to. Next line start with N. N as in Nancy. N, a, n, a, na, ni, nu, ne, no. Okay. Next one start with H. Ha, hi, ha. Hi, hu, he, ho. Okay? Next line, start with M. Ma, ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Okay? And the next one, only 3 in one line. Why these are blank? We used to have this area filled with other Hiragana or Katakana. However, we don't use this or sound anymore in modern days. So this is sort of cancelled. There's nothing in there. So in this line, only 3 letters exist today. They start with Y sound. Ya, ya, you, yo. Okay? The next line start with sort of R sound. Just for your information, in the Japanese pronunciation, we do not have R sound and L sound and many of your English consonant either. So how to describe it? Well, I should say maybe this is very similar to R sound. So a, la, li, lu, le, lo. Okay. The last one start with W. W. A, wa, wa, wo. The very last one, this is a very, very special. The numbers of a kanji to hiragana, katakana and kanjis come to the number of 46 in total. So the last one is very exceptional sound, which doesn't belong to vowels, it doesn't belong to a consonant. It sounds like a mixture of everything. So this, the very last letter, it sounds as this. This is okay?